Hello everyone, in order to record while streaming, go to MP4 file and click the gear button. Inside the output tab, you can select the format you want. In this video, I will select the MP4 format. In the MP4 file property, click the browse button to save the directory you want to save. After that, you can enter the file name you want, for example, demo. Besides that, you can do the encoder setting here and also AC setting here. So now we take YouTube as example to stream. Let's go to YouTube and then copy the URL and paste on it. Then copy the stream key. After done, click OK. Then go to MP4 file, click the play button to start stream and record. You can check the status here. To stop, click on the stop button. So let's go to the directory we set just now, which is desktop. As you can see, the file name will be based on what you set just now. The format is MP4 format. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.